Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about sets chapter. It is second chapter in mathematics in 10th class. So, what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. In this part, we will discuss about what is a set, and set is expressed in two forms like roster form and set builder form. And few examples we will discuss on that. So before going to the topic, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's go into the topic. So first, what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects is called a set. For example, we take an example A. A is a set which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a set is determined by using brackets. Next, so it is expressed in two forms. First is set builder form. Set builder form. It's also called rule form. An example for that. B is a set. X colon. It is will be named as colon. X is a natural number smaller than 6. So it is a set which is in the form of set builder form. So it is not exactly told about what are the elements directly. So it told roughly about the elements in the set. So it is set builder form. And another form is roster form. It is also called list form. So now we have to write the set builder form as roster form. So B is a set. So X colon. So X is a element. X is a element that is a natural number smaller than 6. So what a natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are asked to write X colon. X is a natural number smaller than 6. So these are the elements in the set B. So it is roster form, it is list form, and it is set builder form, that is rule form. It tells about roughly about the elements. It indicates elements directly. Next, we'll take a few examples for that. Three, 6, 9, 12. It is in roster form. So we have to convert it into set builder form. First we will write it is increasing 3 ones, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So roster form 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 3s, 3 4s. So here common is 3. So 1 2 3 4 we have to name it as X. So set builder form. Set builder form A equal to, so 3x colon x belongs to natural numbers x less than or equal to 4. So on the basis of this we have to write, when roster form is given we have to write set builder form, and set builder form is given we have to write roster form. Another example, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So first, it is given roster form. So it is increasing like 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and 2 power 5. So here common is 2. So we will write like set builder form. It is also called rule form. 2 power x colon x belongs to natural number x less than or equal to 5. Like this we have to convert roster form into list form. Next we will go into a topic that is belongs to and not belongs to. So a few questions will be asked in examinations on the basis of belongs to and not belongs to. First question, they are given a equal to 0, 2, 4, 6 and B equal to 3, 5, 7 and C equal to P, Q, R. So 3 sets A, B, C. 3 sets are given and elements are given. So they are asked first question 0 dash A. So they ask 0 element is belongs to A or not belongs to A. So first we have to go to A set. So A elements are 0, 2, 4, 6. So 0 is element of A. So we have to write belongs to. Second question 3 dash C. So we have to go C set. So there is elements P, Q, R and not 3. So it not belongs to set P, C. Next. Third example. 4 dash B. So when you go to B set, they are given elements 3, 5, 7. So 4 is not there. So we have to write 4 not belongs to B. So these are few examples on belongs to or not belongs to, and there are few sentences are given and we have to write in belongs to or not belongs to form first. Elements X does not belong to A. So they are given elements X does not belong to A. So X is not belong to A. So we have to write in this form when sentence is given. Next example. D is an element of set B. So D is an element of set B, then it will be belongs to set B. So it belongs to set B. Like this we have to write when sentences are given, we have to write in this form. Next. So they are given sentences, we have to set is there true or false. First example. 5 belongs to set of prime numbers. They are given 5 not belongs to 5 not belongs to set of prime numbers. Actually prime numbers start with 2, 5, 7 and 11. So in this form they will be started. So 5 is a set of prime number. They are given not set of prime numbers, then it is a false. Next. 5 not belongs to whole numbers, where W not belongs to W set, where W is the set of whole numbers. Five not belongs to the given 5 not belongs to whole numbers. So actually whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So 5 is a set of whole numbers. They are given not belongs to, then it is a false. So like this some exercises are given in 10th class. So next, so they are given in set builder form, we have to convert into roster form. Set builder form given A equal to X colon, X is a natural number, greater than 50, smaller than 100. So we have to write in roster form. So roster form. So roster form means list form. We have to write like list. So X is a natural number greater than 50. So I have to write onward 51 onwards. 51, 52, 53, like 99. Up to 99 we have to write. So this is one example of set builder form to have to convert into roster form. So today I have discussed about sets chapter introduction. So set is a well defined collection of objects, and example for the set, and set is expressed in two forms. One is set builder form, one is roster form, and how to convert roster form into set builder form and set builder form into roster form, and about belongs to or not belongs to symbols, and they are given like sentence form, we have to write like symbols form, and they are given sentences, we have to say either true or false, and how to convert set builder form roster. Today we have learned about this. Tomorrow I will say about how many forms of sets are there and how will be they expressed and how will we solve problems when given on that. So today we'll discuss about this sets interaction part 1. So tomorrow I will tell about that. Thank you. So please subscribe our channel if you like our videos. Thank you.